Another day, another English lesson. Be going to for future plans and predictions. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use be going to talk about the future. We use be going to in two situations: when we've already decided to do something, and when we can predict something because of evidence we see right now. The structure is subject plus am, is, are, plus going to plus base verb. For example, desde, I am going to visit my grandmother this weekend. She is going to study nursing next year. For predictions, we use evidence we can see. For example, look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain. He's driving too fast. He's going to crash. Now you try. Complete the sentences with am going to, is going to, or are going to, and the verb in parentheses. One, look at that fruit. It is going to fall off the table. Two, I already bought the tickets. We are going to see the concert on Friday. Three, she has all her books ready. She is going to study for her exam tonight. Four, the sky is completely black. It is going to storm tonight. Five, we booked our flights last week. My family and I are going to travel to Italy in June. Six, he's carrying 3 heavy boxes at once. He is going to drop one of them. Seven, I signed up for the class yesterday. I am going to learn how to swim this summer. Eight, the children are very tired. They are going to sleep soon. I hope you enjoyed this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.